Here we are at the first house located near Coburg Road, which is one of the main roads in Eugene. It's in a more quiet, secluded neighborhood, perfect for raising children, having a family. The houses are a little bit more expensive, making this house a perfect investment. I really like this house a lot because it has the brick exterior mixed with the wooden neutral colors, and the landscaping is just absolutely gorgeous, but also low maintenance. There's a lot of roses and rhododendrons and just a little bit of grass, but enough to make it look very nice. The house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with 1,900 square feet, almost 2,000, and it's very modern. It was built in 1990, so there's not a lot of work that needs to be done to renovate it and make it look even better. One of my favorite features of this house, there's a fireplace inside the living room, so you have this beautiful tall chimney with the brickwork that's just gorgeous. It's the lattice work, and I am in love with it. All right, let's go look at the house. Okay, so we walk in and the space is beautiful and open. We walk into a formal dining room area, but there is, I've noticed, another dining room area as well, so you could make this into a front piano room or another living room area, because we have this beautiful formal family room with a fireplace, front-facing windows. There's a built-in bookshelf. And let's walk into the kitchen. We walk into the first dining room area, and then we have this beautiful open kitchen. If you want to invest in this house, a good idea would be just change the cabinets, and that is pretty much it. Everything else in this house is beautiful. There's nothing else that needs repaired. There's lots of storage spacing, but I would fix the cabinets. There's also a built-in pantry for food storage. All right, and the island. On the left side of the house, we have a washer and dryer, and it leads into the garage, which is handy. The garage is a very good size, perfect for 2 cars. And then what I love is that this side of the house has the 2 bedrooms that are not the master bedrooms. We have a half bath with a sink and a toilet. We have a bigger bedroom that has its own closet, space for a bed, and then it's pretty spacious. You can do whatever you want with the space over here. Like you can see they have it set up for gaming. And then you walk into the bathroom. This room has its own sink and it has the toilet, but if you come through, this is a really neat space. You see that there's another sink, the shower, and if you walk all the way through, you are in the second bedroom. I love that layout. It would be great for kids, especially little kids that don't mind sharing a space. But this one's a little bit smaller, has a good sized closet though. And then in the hallway, you have a beautiful storage space. It's large. And I want to show you the master bedroom. You end up in the bathroom first. It has double sinks on a beautiful marble countertop. It has a walk-in shower with glass doors and this beautiful large tub. So pretty. I love the window over it too, and I love that you can't see through the window. And then you have a closed off toilet. Give mom and dad privacy, and a walk-in closet. It's very spacious.
Definitely thought that it was another room. And then if we walk out this way, you walk into the
Master bedroom. One of my favorite details about this room is the big vaulted ceiling. It makes it look more open, and it also makes it look kind of royal, like a palace. So this has a door that leads into the backyard that you can also access near the kitchen. On the patio, it's covered so you don't have to worry about rain. And you can have a table out here, chairs, maybe even a small barbecue pit, campfire pit. And then you have this wonderful strip of grass.
Beautiful. Huge rhododendron bushes. Those are just absolutely my favorite. The whole fence is really well made. There's nothing wrong with it, so you would never have to replace that. Not for a long time at least. There's just flowers and trees and bigger trees over here to give you privacy from your neighbors. But
This backyard is beautiful, especially with most of the other backyards that I've seen in Eugene in the area. This one's really nice. Okay, how was the house tour? Did you like it? There are a few things that I wanted to point out and explain. So the flooring is a hardwood floor. It's beautiful, natural wood. It's a lighter color. And then just some tips for fixing up the house. I would suggest painting the baseboards a lighter color, maybe even changing them completely to be more modern. And then the doors,
they're an orange wood, but you could change it to be
maybe a lighter, natural, more neutral color just to brighten it up and make it feel more open. And like I explained before, the cabinets in the kitchen would be good to replace or paint just to make it more modern, open feeling. This wood kind of makes the kitchen feel a little bit smaller. And then the one last thing that I would suggest, just to help the house feel a little bit more modern,
and open would be
to replace the carpet in the bathroom. But that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for joining us, and I can't wait to see you again next time.